For generations, education has followed an industrial model. One teacher, one pace, for dozens of unique minds. In this system, it's easy for a student who struggles to fall behind, and for a gifted mind to become bored. The classroom often teaches to the average, leaving many on the edges. This isn't a failure of teachers, but a limitation of the old model itself. We are trying to solve a 21st century problem with a 19th century toolkit. But what if a classroom could adapt in real time to the student in front of it? Imagine a lesson that evolves based on your questions, or a history class where you can walk through ancient streets. This is the promise knocking on our schoolhouse door today. Artificial intelligence and immersive virtual reality are moving from labs into learning. This shift isn't about replacing the soul of education, but about finally fulfilling its oldest promise, to truly nurture every single mind. This revolution forces us to ask difficult, human questions. Can an algorithm ever provide the empathy, mentorship, and moral guidance that a great teacher embodies? Will personalized AI tutors create brilliant but isolated learners, missing the vital skill of collaboration? And if access to this technology is unequal, do we risk creating a deeper divide between the privileged and the left behind? The future of knowledge is not just a tech issue, it's a question of the society we want to build. After confronting these challenges, a clear and hopeful path emerges. The future is not a binary choice between human warmth and machine intelligence. The most powerful education will come from a synergistic partnership. It's not about AI or teachers. The new model leverages the unique strengths of both. The formula for the classrooms of tomorrow is clear: human inspiration amplified by AI precision. This is how we build wiser, not just smarter, generations. So what does this partnership look like? First, AI serves as an infinite personal tutor. Adaptive platforms don't just deliver content, they diagnose understanding. If a student stumbles on algebra, the AI instantly generates new practice problems targeting that exact gap. It provides patience and data-driven clarity 24/7. This ensures core knowledge is mastered, building a solid foundation. It turns the myth of being bad at a subject into a solvable problem of finding the right learning path. This liberates the human teacher for their most vital work. Freed from the drudgery of grading and one-size-fits-all drills, they become mentors, coaches, and facilitators of wisdom. They can guide Socratic dialogues on history's lessons, nurture creativity in projects, and provide the emotional support no algorithm can replicate. The teacher's role shifts from sole source of information to architect of learning experiences and builder of character. This is where true education lives. Virtual reality dissolves the walls of the classroom. Imagine learning biology by shrinking down to travel through the bloodstream, or studying literature by stepping into the world of the story. This experiential learning builds deep, intuitive understanding and wonder. It makes abstract concepts tangible and unforgettable. Furthermore, VR can connect students globally for collaborative projects, fostering cultural exchange and preparing them for a connected world. This future must be built on a foundation of justice and benefit for all. We must proactively ensure these tools are designed without bias and are accessible to every community, not just the wealthy. This means investing in infrastructure, creating low-cost solutions, and focusing on teacher training. The goal is to use AI and VR as great equalizers, closing opportunity gaps and giving every curious mind everywhere the key to unlock their full potential. The tools are powerful, but our vision for their use must be wiser.